man, your boy Turbo TV.
An Audio Cat over here in the building, man.
Hey, we got something special today, but if you're new, go hit that subscribe button, go hit that share button, go hit that like button, go comment, because I do comment back, and then go over to his channel, which
Audio
is
Cat on YouTube.
Go hit subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good
All
stuff.
that stuff.
After this video,
And don't forget to turn on the bell so you can stay tuned for all the video. Very
make sure
important,
you hit the bell, and then it'll drop down, hit all, leave it alone after that. Don't skip no ads. Don't
Very
skip no
important,
ads.
man. That's how we do. We do to bring you other content. So support the channel by not just watching it, but by also watching the ads is very important for us, man.
These ads help pay for what y'all about to look at now. This stuff is expensive. So, what we looking at today?
Well, what we have is that we did a one-off today on this Audi, man. He's been asking for a while. We ordered the parts in, and we had to do a custom build for him. It's never been done. You're going to see it on nobody. Nobody has it. It's a very, very difficult build, and we were able to accomplish it today because we basically took his factory DLRs and his Audi, took them out, replaced them with replacement flow series. So we got flow series tubes that are custom made for the car. They don't exist. We made the tube, connected that all to a ghost module so he could do and change and make it do whatever he wants to. Watch what this car's doing.
We are first in the world, yo. We the first. So I'm gonna turn the camera around if this goofy would get out of the way. So, as y'all see, my lights are, excuse me, never mind. So, my lights used to be just white, as y'all know. Now, my lights do everything. But it's not just, it's so hard to record that.
It's amazing. That's not the only piece. You can change the color, but when you do turn signals, you can make a turn signal do things. You can make anything you want to do anything you want at any time you want it to do.
Let me back up, get better help. So, as Audio Cat was explaining, I can program my lights to do anything.
Anything.
Any color, any.
Follow, wave. I mean,
So,
you can just look at some of the patterns that Isaac already got set up.
Like, this is just something that he already set up that, I mean, I don't even know what they do yet.
So look, you hit this here. This is one of the series that he's got on it. If you want to do this one here, like another thing that he has. He has that one strobing, red and blue. Then he has the red and blue black here. Now it's just chasing each other, red, blue, black. And you can actually change it.
All the different little modes you have.
And then you can customize it to be fast, slow, big, small, colors, whatever you want. Full. So right now they're chasing each other. Go from one headlight, bounce it to the other. You can see that. And you can speed it up, slow it, do whatever you want.
I'm over here lost for words.
It's a one-off, that's for sure.
Most definite. So let me show y'all that it's no janky work, no craziness. My headlight is intact. It is intact. There's no nothing. We have a full headlight. So don't think, oh man, they glued it in the back now. No, it works. Oh, let me show y'all my blinkers. So I'm gonna show y'all the hazards.
So that's going to be now, so he just put it for a standard orange on that one, and he made it just change. But again, you can make them strobe, you can make them wave, you can make them do whatever you want to. And that's just a basic setup until you get hands-on and you do what you want to do. So right now, look, he just put it to be solid. He can make them flash completely. He can make them wave. Strobe, whatever he wants it to do, you can make it do so.
So y'all, these are hazards. So when I hit my blinker, this is what is gonna happen.
You can do whatever
we going through them all right now, but like I have full control over my fucking lights now.
You got more control of your lights than you do your car.
That's somewhat true.
That's in a contained environment.
So listen, I'm gonna say this. I don't care who like it. If you got a woman that you want to change up, you want to program her, take her to Audio Zone. 1230 North Beltline Road, man. Irving, Texas. Go get your stuff done. If she ain't right,
we got it.
Isaac can have her right by the end of the night. Anyway, back to the lights.
I love that thing.
Oh, just so y'all know, like you can see my blinker on my mirror. It's flashing. Most likely that's gonna be it. I'm telling you that now. They don't make me want to stop wrapping my goddamn car just to play with lights now.
You have a lot to play with. That's a beautiful thing. But I would. Now that's your DLR. So he's just showing you different colors of your DLR. He can. Watch it. Go back to the red and white one there. The one you just have flowing the red and white. No, the other one. The one you just have first. Okay. Do me a favor. On that one that's right there, add me the color blue to that setup. So you know, right now you can throw blue. Take out the blue. Now you can remove the blue, no more blue. Throw me a green. You can add and put whatever colors you want to. Put a pink in there. You can make it do whatever you want from it. Whatever colors you want, single color. You could, in fact, remove everything except the red. Now you got the red being changed by the white. Now there he can go next to add a blue.
That's crazy.
You can do whatever you like.
This is crazy.
Now you got the Mexican flag. Red, white, green. Turquoise, like my favorite color, believe it or not.
Oh, what we can do, I got something. I'm gonna go get Mama Turbo, and we're gonna see her reaction.
Good.
So turn it purple, just solid, and then we gonna like do the police one or whatever. All right, right so back. We got Mama Turbo, Turbo TV on her butt. It's all right. We just want to see her reaction.
We got Mama over here. Mama, what's going on?
That's the point. That's why I'm ready for all this.
So, we've just installed some fallopian tubes to this car. What do you think? Interesting? Now, these fallopians, we can change the color. Watch, take a look at this. You can make them strobe, you can make them flow, you can make them change, make them waterfall, dance, whatever you want. Make them actually go chase each other, I think, when they chase each other. You like it, Mama?
What you say?
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, Jesus.
Do that right now. You go from one side and you go to the other.
You like that?
Mama approves.
So yeah, Mama Turbo approves. You approve?
I approve.
All right.
I'm Mama Turbo, and I approve this message.
So y'all, we got more and more and more and more. The people that's over here didn't even know this was happening, so we got it done. Well, we didn't get nothing done. These guys got it done.
Man, we're grateful for the opportunity to serve the car, man, and kind of what we do. We became after hours installer because Turbo special people, like I told you on my blog. Cool people, man. We got along since day one, man. We've been hanging out since day one. We've been hanging out more lately. And we're just grateful for the opportunity that God gave us to be able to serve him in his car and, you know, get the name out there with you guys. I always thank you guys for the watch and support of the channel, man. Don't forget to support Turbo. And just watch the movement as it keeps on growing, y'all. So we'll be doing what we got to do soon.
Isaac, come on, man.
Audio Fox up in the building.
Yeah, we got Audio Fox
up in the building.
out here.
Say Audio Fox. He like,
He don't never talk.
Minos speaking on the camera.
Never talk. So yeah, we got
You don't ever get a smile from him, so you good.
we got Mrs. Audio Cat's Hellcat out here.
Pleasure meeting you.
And then we got Audio Fox out here. When you got family, man, and they come to your rescue, they off of work. They've been at work all day, y'all. They didn't came to my house and install mine in the middle of the night. Like, bro, it don't get no better. Good energy gives good results, man. My car is out here a light show now. Like, this is gonna be crazy on the highway. I gotta just make sure I don't push the wrong button. I push the wrong button on the highway, it's gonna be police lights. Hey, y'all better be careful. I'm coming for y'all ass. I'm pulling over cops now. I'm pulling cops. Hey, listen.
Hey, we all, me, you, and him pull up with the cop lights on.
Boy, they gonna be pissed. Everybody gonna run.
Run. What y'all running for? Y'all scared?
Yeah, and I still, hey, and that's the thing. I still got my Audi sign. Man, this is about to be crazy, bro. My car will be done tomorrow, so. Well, look, I ain't got no hair. Oh. Come on, man. You waiting to get on this camera. Go on, get it. Get it. Get it for YouTube one time. Zay Skino in the building. Come on. Get it one time.
No, man. They gonna think I'm a goofy, man.
Well, tell them go follow you then. Follow you.
Follow me on IG, ZAY, Sal 7800. Big, come on, man.
You know what, man? This is the important thing. I met you how long ago? About 7-8 months ago.
Yeah, approximately.
Do a favor. Why don't you tell Turbo? Why don't you tell the camera today how the Lord saved you from homosexuality?
How you say me from?
Homosexuality. When you were homosexual, you
Oh,
tried to
no.
Tell me what happened. No,
no.
That's not what happened.
No.
What's your date? What's your name?
Zayden.
What's your nighttime name?
Like lavender.
No.
What?
You see what I'm saying? So he's Zay in the daytime, and then at nighttime he be over there stripping a LeBaron. I don't know what he's doing, man.
Hey, man, I'm getting out of here, though, man. I hope y'all enjoy it. I greatly appreciate y'all watching. Sorry, y'all. Hold on. Rockstar wants to, no, you can't be my thumbnail. Yeah. No, my thumb. Hey, I'm gone, y'all. Holla at y'all. Y'all, just to show you it's real, Audio Fox himself got his pretties on, too. You know what I'm saying? We is about to be scaring the shit out of y'all. Fuck it. He got his police lights on. Mine is up there on, as y'all see. You say you did what? Oh, you doing this some more?